Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is July 20th in the year 2025. Almost at the wrong year. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, or this bonus problem. The reason why I do a bonus problem is because we have a easy today, and I feel I have an okay energy. I am going to keep it easy medium, but we are going to do a random one. I just don't know that I have energy for hard. But yeah, let's go. Pick one for random, and we have a medium that is friend to the array. Premium problem. Hope everyone's having an okay day. So you give it to the array, next returns the next element, it has next. Okay, so you don't actually have to friend this live, which is kind of nice. Maybe, I don't know. You could only, I guess. It's not that interesting. Iterator or not, you don't have to, of course you should still keep a copy of it, but otherwise, you can just do something like this. What's it called? You could have like a counter or not, like current, or you could even have one for XY. It doesn't really matter because they map to each other, right? Has next is just return self.current is less than self.r times self.c, right? That just means we have any more element, I believe. I'm just trying to think whether on the last one, I think this is right. Otherwise, has next is just return self.rec. Should it return -1 or anything? Okay, it's ratted. Ratted doesn't mean anything. That's why I don't like when people say it's ratted, because does that mean that this returns true, or is it just like, it's, I don't know, it could mean anything. But in any case, especially, I only say that especially in the context of like, in a lot of problems, the contest writer is trying to cheese you. So like, it's hard to it's hard to be trusting in that sense. But yeah. All right. So then we want to do row first, right? So then it's just something like this, I think. Actually, I think that's right? Hopefully. It's wrong because I forgot the increment, but yeah, okay. So, right, but I think the idea is mostly right. I always forget which way it is. So yeah, and it is now out of range. 1, 2. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, no, I am wrong on this one. I thought for some reason, I didn't take a look at the example clearly because in the example it's already shown. It is not a rectangular thing. Okay, so then now we just have to think about this a little bit more clearly, but it's also not that hard. I think, yeah, maybe we just keep it this way. We just keep current, current row maybe, and then current column, right? Same idea. It's a little bit wonky, but so basically if the current row is less than length of self.rec, then that means that we're good. Here, then now we just make an adjustment, right? So R is equal to self.rec, self.current row, self.current column, right? And then we just return, oops. Then we just return R, right? But then now, of course, we have to increment, which is maybe a little bit trickier in general, but yeah, self.current call is increment by 1, and then there's only a if length of self.rec of self.current row. If this is equal to self.current call, then self.current call is equal to 0, self.current row increment, right? And that should be good, because this should trigger it. The only other thing may be that we have an empty array, which I don't know if that's like a valid input. It seems like that it is though, so we maybe have to take we have to take how do I? Okay. We have to pay attention to it. So maybe just add a quick empty one just to see, and it should be that this is you'll be out of bounds. Yeah, so then Whew. So then maybe this could be a while loop. I think that's mostly it. Oh, I guess because this is a while loop, then now the invariant is no longer true, which is that yeah, self.current row is less than length of self.rec, right? So then yeah, this looks a little bit better. At least it handles this case, so we'll give it a YOLO submit. Hopefully, oh, empty of empty. Oh, I guess that makes sense actually. I didn't really consider this case of just like everything's empty of the has next, because has next now we never iterate. So I mean, I think what I need is a helper thing, right? Of increment maybe, or check increment maybe. I don't know, something like this, where basically it just wants this, right? And the reason is that we just want to check the state also after we do this, and that should be good. But I didn't, and I honestly did miss this though, or like just didn't consider it. It happens. That is all I have for this one. Yeah, we only have one wrong answer, right? Because we did check for the other one, but I did know to think about the other one, but not this one. But yeah, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I mean, this is roughly all of 1 per thing, right? It is amortized, of course, but yeah, per element, I don't know that you can do faster without squishing it ahead of time in the initializer, but I don't know. There's 7 hints for this. How many hints do you really need for this? I'm curious. Variables, x and y, empty rows, try to write correct. I don't know. Man, this is a lot of hints. But in any case, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.